Hi everybody, Dr. Deed Harrison here of Chiropractic BioPhysics Seminars and Technique. Just want to introduce the 2022 CBP seminar schedule to you. Hope everybody out there had an amazing 2021. Personally, for me at CBP, we had really one of the best years ever, which is unusual in the situation at play in the world today. However, I really believe it's because of the support that I have out there from the CBP doctor community and the CBP instructors, my team, the staff members at CBP seminars, but also just the fact that when you are doing the right thing for you, the purpose, the passion, the dedication, the perseverance, and you love what you do, I think that shines through and shows through in what it is that you're doing. For me personally, that means trying to improve the chiropractic profession and improve healthcare in general through proper spine rehabilitation protocols, procedures, and practices. I can't do this alone. This is not an I technique. This is a we technique. So with my personal success with CBP in 2021, I just want to say a huge thank you again to everybody out there that supports CBP through seminars and through purchases of our products and applying these things to their patients out there. That being said, we'd love to have 2022 be an even better and bigger year, and we hope to have new growth, new doctors coming in, but also the tried and true doctors that have been with us. We need you to continue to stay with us, assuming that you're happy with what we do. With that being said, I'm going to introduce the 2022 seminar schedule to you and let you know about our live in-person events, and then our online events, and then my personal guest speaking event schedule, where you can see maybe you don't want to take a CBP seminar, maybe it's not in your area, but you might want to take one of the state association events that I'm speaking at. So I'm going to go through that. First and foremost, you know what, when you come online to CBP seminars, let me back up. A lot of people have forgotten how to use a website and find our seminars, and I think it's kind of pretty obvious and it's trivial, but I'm going to walk you through it. You just go to idealspine.com, and then you go to the link Seminars and Services. You'll click on Seminars, and on this page we have our live in-person events, we have our online events, and then we have my guest speaking events. So I'm just going to walk you through each one of them. Here's our in-person ones, here's our online ones, and then here's my guest speaking event schedule. The new website, hopefully you find it user-friendly and you find it very attractive. We had My Chiropractic, Artavan and Kevin Javid do this build out, and then none other than Annie Allred, who is the master of everything that we do in CBP in terms of the business back-end information and systems we have. She really built this very nicely and user-friendly with Art and Kevin. So you go to the in-person events, and I want you to know we don't have a ton. I'm not doing 40 events this year. You'll see that I'm trying to limit this to one event per month if I can. Sometimes I have a couple per month, or if I'm doing the week long, it looks like I obviously have 7 in that month, but we'll just call that one seminar. So we're going to click on register, and you'll see the list populated of our events. The very first one is February 25th through the 27th. So there's still time. We're more than a month away. I elected not to do any events in January, just to give everybody a break, let you get into the new year, focus on your practice, focus on your business, and then we'll start our actual CBP courses next month in February. The first one is the hands-on workshop. Almost always this is the first one I do. We only hold 1 or 2 of these per year. They're always held at the Ideal Spine Health Center here in Eagle, Idaho, at the CBP Doctor Institute. The reason is because that's where we can properly train in the protocols, procedures, and practices that we do in CBP. Now, this particular event, it's limited to 25 with a maximum of 30. If you look at this, it's February 27th through, or 25th through the 27th, Friday through Sunday, and We're going to limit it to 25 to 30 attendees because we just can't handle more than that at this type of event. Everybody's got to get their hands on the equipment. Everybody's got to make sure that they're up to speed with the mirror image adjusting, exercise, and traction protocols and applications that we do. Now here's the kicker. You can bring your team, your staff that helps you set up traction and administer exercise in your office. It's not really for the front desk. It's for your rehabilitation techs in the office. But you have to have a background as the doctor. Your staff doesn't have to have a background in the seminars. They have to have the background with you, but you as the doctor, we don't let anybody come that has not been to at least 3 to 4 CBP seminars. You have to have attended Module 1, X-ray and posture. You have to have attended Module 2, mirror image drop table adjusting. And you have to have attended at least 2 of the 3 rehabilitation seminars that we do. Cervical, lumbar, or thoracic. You have to attend 2 out of 3 of those. The reason is we're testing your ability to apply these materials from the previous seminars in this particular hands-on workshop. Everybody's going to basically do hands-on, show and tell, if you will. I'll give you cases and you'll have to walk through the equipment and do the setups on your own with some limited guidance by myself and other CBP instructors that are at the event. So it's really, what do you know how to do? What do you need refining in terms of your abilities? And what are you not doing correctly at all? And the only way to do that is if you've been to the other seminars and understand and are doing these things in your office today. So hopefully I'll see you out at that event in Eagle, Idaho at the end of February. Again, we limit this, so please register early. And again, you can bring your back office rehab techs and your basically your traction and your exercise members of your team. It's not for the front desk. And again, I will cap this at 25 to 30, so don't wait too long, and hopefully we'll see you there.